Yes, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. How you guys been doing? It is guys, I can tell you, it was a really good trading day, I have to say, man. Like, if you can look at this trade already, guys, it is unbelievable how clean this played out already. Like, from the last live stream, like, the Wednesday was this trade, guys. It's unbelievable how clean it did, okay? Yeah, let's see, like, who's in the chat, everyone. Yo, Ross, how you doing, man? Welcome to the live stream. Abdullah Mohammed, how you doing, bro? It was a long time no see, I think. You weren't on the last live stream, I think. FOREX YouTube, yo, bro, how you doing? Welcome to the live stream. Yo, Crowfits, how you doing, man? Okay. Oh, let's see, Ross, what you're saying. Hi, Justin. I'm having a real struggle trying to fund the WEEX from my Coinbase. Any suggestions? Am I going to have set up MetaMask wallet or something? Real pain in the neck. Was trying to send USDT. Do I need to send something else to fund it? Trying to join your community. GS, yo bro, how you doing? I guess 412.11. Good after all, lol. My ETH trade is up 30%. Yeah, I got already like our TP8, man. Hi man, yo Crowfit, how you doing, man? Yeah, Ross. The thing is, what you have to do, like, you have to sign up through our link to join us. I don't know if you did that already with the sign up, and if you did, so that's gonna be really good, indeed. And if you want to fund it, then you have to transfer like USDT over to that part, indeed. I don't know what is going wrong or like what is going wrong in general, but yeah, that is like something tough to show, you know, because that's like something what you only can do so far. But I'm gonna try to figure it out as well for you. Let's see. Ethereum is looking good, man. Yeah, man. 812, how you doing, man? Morning. Already did that. Okay, that's very weird. Like, what is happening? Like, it doesn't like send any cryptos in general or something, or like what is like the real problem with it? Then maybe we can figure that out. Then I will start with the live stream in the meantime. Okay, Ross. Okay, guys. So guys, like something really good happened, of course. Ethereum. Like, look at this beauty of a trade again. It's unbelievable, like how good this one is looking. It is like yeah, I'm just like speechless of myself, actually, to be honest, a little bit now. Like, every trade what I have or what I did with Ethereum, I can tell you, every kind of trade was looking really good. We had like maybe one loss now on Ethereum because that was this trade over here, and that one was stop loss because my stop loss was too tight of it. Otherwise it would be also a beautiful trade. But like, look at this, guys. Like, the trades what we had, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 trades back to back. Unbelievable how beautiful that is, guys. Wow. Click your link to join. Yeah, okay. And then you have to sign up, and then from there, then you have to deposit like $100 or something on that account. Hola amigo, how you doing, Ozzy? Ethereum treasury is still about yesterday. Yeah, man, off the pump. Yeah, bro, like the pump was like crazy again, and not only from Ethereum, but I can tell you as well with HBAR what was happening. Like, the HBAR was like on 144% out of something like that, and now it is around, should it be? Let me see. HBAR is now at 108%, guys. So like, also HBAR is looking really good today. So like, yeah, man, like the trades are going pretty well. And what is it with Bitcoin is a little bit slower today, I can tell you. Like, I'm still happy that we bought in, because I'm still ready that he's gonna have a pump again. But we have to see, because now he also made a swipe like the downside under it with the order book and everything, and now he's pumping to the upside from there. So we have to see with that segment. Doing good. Watching SY and Ethereum for now. How are you doing? Ozzy, I can tell you, man, we're doing pretty good. Like, last Wednesday I placed this trade literally in front of in your eyes in the live stream, and like, look at this beautiful trade, how it did go. like it just touched it like perfectly fine with the wick after it, and it is again an 168% win position, if I'm correct. Let me see. Oh, I have to log in again. I don't know why. Give me 1 second, guys. Yes, I'm not a robot. There you go. Let's see. Okay. Sorry for the waiting, guys, because like my internet here is like not the best, unfortunately. It is like really weird. Let's see, position history. Here you go. Here, this one. A $1,000 trade, 168%. So that's so also I can tell you, bro, that was like a good trade. I can tell you. As a fellow Dutch guy, how did you deposit dollars to WEEX? So what you do if you have like an account and everything, you know, there's literally a button over here with deposit. So then it is like if you have like Coinbase or like Revolut is also one that is possible. What you can do is like you can select your crypto over here if you want. You can also, if you want, let me see if I can find it. Otherwise you also can transfer with it and everything. So you can like deposit over here with cryptos with these kind of things. And that is like how you should get to work with it. So for example, select your crypto, USDT, select network. Well, that's gonna be TRC or ERC20, of course, like one of those two. And then for example, deposit details. So get your then you have to get an address and all those kind of things. So that is like how it should work with to deposit it, okay? And that is like something really important to just to know for you guys as well, how you can work with it. I like to use Ethereum most of the times, to be honest, because like Ethereum is like, yeah, one of the most used transaction things right now. But yeah, guys, that is like something what how you can deposit. And like then it depends on like what kind of address you have. So for example, I got Coinbase, I got Revolut as well on it. Bitvavo is also possible, but with Bitvavo, that's a Dutch company thing, if I'm correct. With them, it is like you have to like trust this wallet. So it's also possible on Coinbase, for example. That you first have to trust that wallet first before you can deposit it. Okay, so that's also really important to know, because here is also with the FAQ is here also sending a thing also for you, Ross. Why can't let me look it up here. Why can't I deposit or withdraw? And here they are saying, for example, to ensure the security of your account after the recent system upgrade, it was detected that there were abnormal login records. Catch for your following certain security operations, such as changing passwords, changing login devices, or withdrawing from different devices within 24 hours. As a result, the withdraw function of your account will be suspended for 24 hours. After the suspension period, the withdraw function will be automatically restored. Please kindly wait patiently. That is like what was happening on that moment. I don't know if that's still, this was from a year ago, so that doesn't make any sense. That was not, okay, well, shit. I think Bitcoin may be a short bounce and dump. Yeah, also I'm, oh, you think that it's gonna dump? I think we're gonna go higher with Bitcoin, to be honest, man. To be honest, like we got already like crazy good newer higher high over here, like 24.5k already, and I think that we're gonna reach 130k eventually. So not direct bank deposit. I'm not sure to exchange. I use can deposit on networks WEEX uses. Well, the thing or bank. Oh yeah, profit. Like the thing is, what you should do. That's like my personal favorite to do. It's really easy to deposit, for example, on Coinbase, like dollars, and you can change that around really easy to USDT or Ethereum. I would do Ethereum if I were you, because USDT you can't use it on the Coinbase app. And what you should do with it, you should transfer it from your Coinbase or from your wallet. It's one of the two. So the base app, for example, as well. you should then get your address from the WEEX and then send it to over that address from your WEEX account. And then from there you're gonna then you have deposit like $100 USDT, for example. The problem with Coinbase is that it doesn't allow you to transfer USDT to WEEX on Ethereum exchange. Yeah, it's not one of the exchange options. Now, like Ross, what you then have to do, you have to put your, because I had the problem first as well. What you should do is like you have to deposit your USDT on Base, so on your wallet of Coinbase. So not the Coinbase app where you can buy coins and stuff, but like your storage wallets from Coinbase. Okay, from there you can exchange it. So what you should do right now, if that is possible, you should transfer it to your own wallet of Coinbase or Base. Is it now? It's called Base now, I think. And what you should do from there is literally then you can transfer it with your USDT from another position. So that is what you should do, Ross, because that is like the way how I did it as well. And this is like how you can use WEEX for it as well, okay? This is a trade, let's see, wrote you on Telegram that WEEX is not working fine for me. I deleted it, sorry bro. I would love to join guys to trade together. Hey, no problem, man. It's your own choice, right? I'm not gonna like push you or like say like, oh, you're missing out or anything. Like, this is totally up to you, man. And I like that you are just joining our live stream as well. Lawrence VDM, is this the trade stream or WEEX FX stream? Lol. It's a trade stream, bro. But like the people are asking about how they can't deposit on on WEEX. So it is really important to tell them, of course. Okay, guys. So no further ado. Sorry, Lawrence. Hey, bro, you don't have to say sorry. Like, I like to help everybody, yeah. So don't worry. So guys, what we're gonna talk about are some like interesting upcoming trades what we probably gonna have. Also some things we're gonna talk about with Bitcoin most of the times, I can tell ya. But we also got some interesting things on Ethereum, I can tell you guys. Like, wow, I like the positions. Like, for example, with this Ethereum breakout, what happened? Huh? Boom, instantly done. And like, we got some interesting things to look at, guys. I can tell you, Ethereum is like looking really juicy lately, and I like the juicy trades on these kind of things on Ethereum, because Ethereum is like one of my favorite coins, to be honest. If we're gonna have like looking for like some crazy good setups for it. God Candle on Ethereum is crazy, man. Yeah, man, I can tell ya. I want to join if possible without WEEX. Well, the thing is, it is tough to join us because there's like, we are working together with WEEX, you know, so like that's a little bit tough to do. And that is also why, why you can't do it without. But like, you can even join if you just deposit like 100 USDT, and then I think you can also then get it gone off it as well if you want Aussie. So that is like totally up to you. But then you can join our exclusive Telegram. So that is like how you can do it as well if you want. But that's like totally up to you. So guys, what we're gonna talk about for now, first of all, I want to talk about like the segment where what I like to show you most of the times, if it wants to show. Thank you very much. Okay, figure it out. Once you have the USDT on WEEX, I can active the bot on Telegram. Exactly. And it will then go all automatic if I'm correct. So that's so it should be then okay. So Ross, I hope it works for you as well. Because like that base part is like is a really important place to get your USDT and all those kind of coins. Okay guys, but let's talk about this segment over here. Okay, the thing is, what we're talking about right now is the segment over here with the phase 1 till 4. I saw already like what we are doing right now is actually that we are almost starting to go to phase 3 almost already. Even though that Ethereum is not even ready done yet with this phase 2. The thing is, like, what is happening right now with Ethereum is that Ethereum is like outperforming Bitcoin like by far already, and everyone knows it. Long time community member here. The quality keeps improving. Thanks, Merlijn. Thank you, but I'm not Merlijn. He's my boss. I am. My name is Justin, and I'm working, or I'm doing the live streams for him. So sorry, Khalida, for maybe the wrong information, but yeah, my name is Justin. Welcome. I'm doing the live streams for Merlijn, and yeah, this is like a nice extra thing what I like to do for you guys. So, guys, what you can see over here is literally the fact like that Ethereum is like outperforming Bitcoin. What you can see already that it is flipping and everything, newer higher highs, all those kind of things. And what is happening right now, and that's something what I like to show you. Let me see if I can find it. Okay, look at this, guys. This was the major resistance what we had, right? The 4K major resistance, what everybody knew. With the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. On the 7th time, it did go to the upside from there, you know. The thing is, like, what is happening right now, and that's something so interesting to look at it. Then I have to look a little bit further. Let me check real quick. It was this one. Perfect. Yes. The thing is, like, what we're doing right now, that's why I also want to have a trade at 4,800 to 4,800, I have to say, because that was like our rejection point. Let me say again, thanks Merlijn, Justin and team, you're the best. Thank you, Khalida. Thank you. Hey BB, how you doing, man? Welcome to the live stream. So, like, what is something really important to know right now? That is also like we're gonna reach eventually newer highs. What is happening right now? He touched literally the resistance line at the 4,800 level. So what we can do, I don't like it, but we can do it properly. We can look maybe for a short real quick to the downside again for it. Why? Because like this trade over here right now, what you have seen, they were building up some liquidity over here, but to be honest, like, this is a pretty strong low till now, so maybe he can even reach like crazier, better highs already. Because like if I'm looking a little bit closer to this segment over here, look at this. Yeah, it looks like that he had like a double top kind of thing over here. So like this segment over here is like actually pretty clean to just to focus on it already. And if that's so, this is meaning that we are actually have like a pretty strong low, so we don't need to go all the way over here. But what we can do, and that's like what I like the most, we can trade till that segment. So for example, this order book, for example, but also what is possible, we can also take this gap. So we have like two positions again to go to look for a long. But in the moment of the moment, we can also like try to look for like an order block on the daily time frame. So let me check for you. So if we're gonna go all the way back over here, and we're gonna get away this red circle for you guys right now. Oh. And what you're gonna do is like you want to check like where are like the order books and all those kind of things. So what you can do, for example, over here is like one of the clean ones. Yeah, this is like one of the order books what I would like to use. This one is also going to be optional, of course, but still, these are like the two what I would use at least. And then from here you can check like, okay, on which part did he react, and where can we maybe place a trade from this one. Why? Because like he reached like the 4,800 level, but he didn't pass it in a crazy way. He just reacted on it. Maybe he passed like the 4,800. Yeah, that's possible for sure. But like also with this level, what you can see already, he touched it actually, that level. That's why I'm thinking that we have maybe like a nice rejection on it. So here, what you can see already on the 4-hour time frame as well. Yeah, this is looking already pretty clean to be honest. He reacted on this placement over here. Now he's going to the downside again, making it almost chase of character. Now he's almost looking like he wants to give a reaction on top of that segment over here to go to the downside again for it. I'm not gonna do it because I think it's a little bit too risky, to be honest, because we have a strong low over here. yeah, everything got swiped out and everything. So yeah, we're gonna have like a movement like, what is it, like this, I think. So what you have is like the rejection, then you go to the downside, a reaction on that segment, and going to the downside. And then eventually from there, what you can have, that's gonna be possible, you're gonna have like a reaction on here, and then from there we're gonna reach to the upper side again. Yeah, it went all-time high, only 10 points. Yeah, so like, I'm not saying that this is like a crazy new all-time high, you know. If it's like reaching the 5k, then I'm calling it a new all-time high, because like 10 points is like almost no difference, you know. That's like the whole thing why I am still want to see like a quick rejection to the downside from there, to be honest, and then to trade up to the upside again. So what you can do is, maybe if you want, you can place like a really small short, like on with the 15 minutes or so maybe. So that's like over here, and it's looking pretty clean as well, to be honest. But yeah, it brings a lot of risk with this one. That's like the whole the thing with it. That you have it like this, for example, something like that. That's possible, but yeah, still, that like it is like a lot of risk. Darren, been here since the early days, still clean, no hype. Keep it up, team. I think I'm falling in love with Ethereum right now, lol. Hey Darren, I can tell you, man, don't do it. It is really dangerous because I am in love with him too. So otherwise we have to fight about it. Yeah, I can tell you. Maybe we can go minus 30%, bro. Yeah, Ozzy, like that's yeah, that can be possible for sure. Like the thing is, like, what is something what you guys need to know, and it's like what I like to see as well. Like this order book over here, this one, is literally a yeah, that has a clean order book. You know, a lot of people were ordering in that segment. I missed that quick short you mentioned on Ethereum by 10 USD. Yeah, that was this one. Yeah, that was this one, man. That was this quick one. Look, let me show it to you. Let me remove this one real quick for you guys. Although, no, wait, I don't want to remove it. Like this, perfect. Okay, let me regroup that. Oh, nope, that's not what I wanted as well. Yeah, this one. Look, this is the trade what I had, and like, look, unbelievable, how sad. I missed it like literally with like how many points. Oh. Yeah. I missed it really barely. It is unbelievable how sad. Like it's not even 1 bar, or maybe 1 bar or something like that. Yeah. It is unbelievable. Like it is really sad that we had taken out like this. Because otherwise it would be like a good trade, which you can see over here. So like I'm still calling this actually as a dub for me, like a profit, because like the fortunate thing is that our plan is working. So you have to see always the bigger picture with these kind of things. Currently transferring USDT. Hope to be a part of the trade this stream. Lol. No worries, Crawford. You were gonna join either way. I know for sure. Still looking good on total crypto market cap. Yeah, BB, it's looking really clean, I can tell ya. So also, guys, with this trade, what you can see right now, yeah, it was unfortunately that we missed it like with like, what is it, maybe two points or something, maybe a little bit more. But yeah, that happens, you know, with the trades. So yeah, we're gonna do it. By the way, guys, what I am thinking to do, like maybe like a small project for us. What we can do is like that I am gonna open a live account, probably on WEEX, and then we're gonna trade on it. So for example, with $100 or something, if you would like, and we're gonna try trade on that account. They are ripping today. Let's see. I don't have ETH today, so in the list, so we're gonna put that one on as well. I like to put a lot of coins in, okay? Arbitrum you said as well. Yeah, here, this one is also like a crazy push. It is unbelievable. Sorry guys, was for taking a sip from my coffee. But yeah, guys, like, yeah, Ethereum is also doing really well, man. It's unbelievable how clean. It is looking really good for a lot of coins, man. Like, look how beautiful this is looking. It took the highs out and yeah, it is looking really strong. We're gonna have some interesting days upcoming, I can tell you. By the way, have you seen the H-bar trade, guys? Look at this beautiful trade as well, then. Like, we still didn't reach this high, first of all, so we still need to push up like crazy from here. And also, what you can think of, like, we still got like here a interesting gap, where we what he still can react on. So I'm expecting that we're gonna have some good highs. I'm in the TG group now. Do I manually copy the trades mentioned there? That's what you can do. Like, what I'm doing right now is like I'm making like a screenshot of the trade. But like I'm gonna get better as well with like placing like the orders and everything. So like, what is the leverage what I do? What is like the kind of percentage what I'm using? I'm gonna put like the stop losses, the TP, and the entry price in it, and also I'm gonna give you the reasons why I'm doing it. I'm also have to be like get used to it a little bit because it's also a little bit new for me, but like the trades are going really well so far. So we're gonna have some good, interesting trades for the upcoming days, Crowfit, that's for sure. I just follow you, dude. Thank you, Khalida. WEEX really good, huh? There's no many airdrop and events still ongoing. Yeah, it's yeah, for real. Khalida, it is like I have to say, it is really worth it to join us on the Telegram group. BB, thoughts on H-bar, bro? Yeah, H-bar, I'm thinking that we're gonna have some crazy ups in my opinion, because the thing is, like what you can see over here, for example, what I showed you guys already, like he made the change of character over here already, did go to the upside, eventually did go to the downside, swiped the whole downside, and he pumped up like crazy from there. That is literally the best entry model what you can have. You got like 3 different entry models what I'm using most of the times, and this is entry model 3. Entry model 3 means that they're like traders. So for example, you and me and different kind of people that are trading on this segment, they see that there's a change of character over here, you know, so they are entering the trade already. So for example, with this segment over here, and they're placing the trade like this, okay? So for example, they're trading like this, okay? And like what is happening, so let me remove this real quick. Like this, okay. So what you can see, what they're doing, okay? Listen. So for example, they're trading like this. They see like an entry over here, and this is like their entry. And like what happens, the market literally scoops them out. So and a change of character. People, they're taking the entry over here, but you can see a lot of orders got swiped out, and then it pushes like crazy. But you can see, that's why like the stop loss is so important to use. And not only that, but like people are like placing always their, like, what is it? The stop loss always under the last low. And that is why I'm placing it like more safely, and I want to place it like, for example, under the order block most of the time, because that's like the best way to be safe for the trades with all those kind of things. That's why I'm giving you these kind of things to learn about it, because it is like really handy to know about it as well. Nice, cheers. I assume I need to transfer the USDT to the futures account. It depends on what you want, man. Like what I would say, like if you have like deposit like the $100, then like the bot of Telegram will see it, because they are connected with each other, and then you automatically join also the Telegram group. How about Link? Seems is doing a pump, then dropped to 50% for the 4th time in a row now, or just my imagination. Lawrence, I will check for you, bro. Chain Link, let me check over here. Okay, let's see. Well, I have to say, Chainlink is doing really well, to be honest. Like, the thing is, like, what's happening right now, and I think that's why he's going down and up all the time, because people are like buying and selling on those moments. Because like the thing is, there's like these kind of highs with an order book, for example. So let me grab an order book to show you. Here, what you can see with an order book. So people are literally selling and going up all the time. And like, what is happening with that? If that is happening, that means that people are actually like, yeah, people are selling and ordering actually all the time, because people want to buy because it's going in an uptrend, but there are also people that are selling because they want to go down. So like, it is like a really battle with the orderings right now with that segment. And like what you see, like what I told you guys already, I want to reach properly this high for sure, and this high first of all to be safe. And like it did reach it, like what I told you guys already. So like also with Link was exactly the same thing. I think we had something with ADA as well. Yeah, look at this one with ADA. This one is also looking really clean already. Look at this, guys. I told you guys already like what I wanted to see, that he's giving a reaction on this order block, going to the downside. Here's an order block. And he touched literally this order block, swiped the downside under it, and is pumping up already. So also this one was also gonna be a good trade for it. Give me 1 second, guys, because I can tell you there is like, can I? Yes. Okay. Sorry. Like there was like a lot of noise from that segment, because like people are texting in the exclusive trade group. Profit, I see that you are in. So that's good to see you, man. So also with Link and Cardano so far, like it's looking really strong, to be honest, with these kind of coins, man. I can tell ya, we're gonna have some interesting upcoming trades for these upcoming weeks. But guys, also to know for you guys, I don't know if you were here for the last live stream on the Wednesday, but this is my I'm almost gonna stop the live streams actually. Well, not forever, but I'm gonna go on a what is it? I'm gonna go on travels to Asia. So that means, so what is happening? I'm gonna go to Asia actually to travel with my girlfriend for 4 months or so. So that means that we are having like some less live streams, I can tell you. I'm gonna check if it's possible to maybe look for like that I can still have a live stream here and there for once a week, or maybe once in 2 weeks. It depends on the weather and like the connection what I have there. But yeah, like I'm gonna have like a little vacation in kind of way, I have to say. So like that's maybe the unfortunate part, I have to say. But yeah, guys, it is I planned this already like a really long time ago, and I love to live stream for you guys, and I'm gonna do it so far I can go for sure. But yeah, so yeah, so like what is it, next week on the set, or literally next week actually already, I'm gonna fly to Asia already. So also on that day I cannot live stream for you guys, but still I will make analyzations for the exclusive Telegram group. Yeah, if you guys want, I can also make maybe an X account, and I will place my trades on there as no, I'm not gonna do that, otherwise it's not fair to over to the exclusive group. But yeah, we're gonna check like how I can live stream for you guys, okay? Because like I can tell you, I'm not gonna have my big screen with me, I'm just having my laptop. I don't have my mic with me, so it's also like yeah, I don't have like the good stuff anymore to like live stream with it. That's like the whole point. So like also the quality is going then downwards. But we always can check like maybe what's possible. Maybe I will make an X account to update you guys like when I can go live again. Bro, can you please open SUI to see the new targets? No worries, RC, I will do that as well. Nice one, gonna spend your hard-earned profits in Asia. Yeah, Profit, I'm gonna do that for sure. Like, Ethereum is doing really good, man. Send me your Ethereum, I'll take care of them while you're on vacation. Lawrence, let's don't do it, okay? Because like, I need those Ethereum, you know, for in Asia as well, you know, because like Asia is also like well, it is cheaper than over here, to be honest, but still. So guys, we're gonna talk a little bit about the charts what we have for today, and then we're gonna go straight over to the charts for you guys with SUI and everything, because like also this live stream is gonna be a little bit shorter because of my busy schedule what I have for today. So also 4:45, I have to say, no, 4:45, sorry. I actually want to no, 4:46. Sorry guys, but that's in Dutch time, so like 11:45 is like the right time. What I have to say? Yeah, 11:45 is like when I have to stop with the live streams, unfortunately, because otherwise I'm gonna be too late for my next appointment. So also that's also gonna be annoying for you guys. Okay. So guys, what we're gonna talk about for now is like about Bitcoin for a fact. Do you purely trade on chart analysis or also on news? No man, I'm doing it pure on the charts. Actually, I'm focusing on news here and there when there's coming something up, like something big, you know. So about like if the Trump is doing something crazy again, or with the war or those kind of things, I'm checking on those kind of things, but I'm purely like taking or trading on the charts. I'm making just pure technical analysis, and that's actually good enough already. So for you guys to know what you can see in Q3 in 2023, literally like look at this kind of pattern and pumped up like crazy. Now in Q3 in 2024, almost the same kind of pattern. Also swiped literally this segment actually out. This is like the whole reason why it is so important. So for this one, it was literally a support and resistance level, and with this one, which you can see over here, it literally got swiped out over here, and it was also support and resistance level. Then what you can see over here is literally the same thing almost already, like with the support and resistance level is over here. So I'm expecting that Bitcoin is still gonna pump up like crazy from here, guys. And I can tell you, I am ready to have some interesting analysis from this kind of things, guys. Because wow, it is looking clean for Bitcoin with all these kind of momentum what it has. So also, if you can look a little bit further, we're gonna have this multi-year resistance and a multi-year support level, which you can over here. You can still see that we're still reaching like newer highs. Actually, it's going really slow, I know. But still, we have like some really good potential for it. And not only that, if you can look over here as well. Sorry for my, I totally forgot about this segment. Let me remove it for you guys. This is exactly like a same kind of movement, what you can see over here. So like what you can see, like it had with Bitcoin like 3 bear traps already. And like what you can see over here with the M2 global liquidity line, what is following up most of the 10 times. We're still actually pushing up to more worth actually with it. So also with Bitcoin, is it like the same kind of quality right now? And like what you can see that it had like 3 bear traps already. So like these are like the kind of moments where you have to watch out. Bear traps are always the moments to buy actually more. You know, that's always like the kind of segment of what I would say. If Bitcoin is getting low, or Ethereum, or like what is it, altcoins, it is you don't have to be scared to sell it with losses. Actually, you have to invest in it then more, because then you're quadrupling your money eventually, you know, from there. What's your Bitcoin price prediction at the top of this cycle? I want to see at least that he's gonna reach 130k, man. That's like my my go-to place right now for this cycle, at least. But yeah, we have to see like how the trades are going, man, because like you can see it as well right now. It is like going up and down with these kind of things. So also with Bitcoin, it is like I'm expecting some great highs for at least, but like I'm expecting like 130 for in my personal opinion. But like what is it? If you can show, if I'm showing you this, you can expect that Bitcoin is gonna reach eventually 250k. So that's why it is important for you guys to show to to know about these kind of things. Also, as you can see over here, this is also possible to happen, that he reaches the 150k even, because the thing is, here we got the Bitcoin ending diagonal pattern, and what you can see over here is literally actually the same thing, like the 1, 2, 3, 4, and number 5 over here. When he's reaching the 5 point, there's like the last step as well with it. You can see literally that he then is gonna drop down to the downside from here. So that is also going to be like one of the moments what also is going to be used, and we also can think of. So maybe that's also going to be possible, that he's going to reach 155k even. Oh, that would be great, to be honest. So if you can look a little bit further, you can see over here with the Bitcoin shakeout what is happening literally right now. This is also like the momentum what I was talking you about with the bear trap, what you just have seen. So what you can see over here, that it like 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 times he rejects the highs. And now he broke through it with the shakeout. And now again, actually he reached 3 times like smaller, newer, higher highs, but he had still a rejection on it. And now he broke out through it, and now he's busy with the shakeout pattern. So after that shakeout pattern, where people are like starting to sell or buy and all those kind of things, we are expecting that he's gonna go up from that segment. So like literally like this, for example, that he's gonna reach these kind of highs then. Abdul Mohammed, hey, just in your free time, try using Gun Fan and the Elliott wave for analysis for long term. It's very awesome. I never heard of it, bro, to be honest. I really don't know what it is. I'm gonna look it up over here, like in a small thing what I have here, but Gun Van, really don't, never heard of it even. But I will check like what it is and all those kind of things. And Elliott wave. Oh, wait a second, are those indicators or not? Because if it is indicators, then I would know like what it is. But yes, those are indicators. Aha, yes. Well, the thing is, Abdullah, like the thing is like what I have learned from trading, but that's my style, how I'm using it. I want to have like my charts so clean as possible. The thing is, why I'm saying this to you guys, it is like really important to know like where you're looking at. And I know like my analysis are like looking now a little bit, how can you say it, like a little bit messy in a kind of way, but you can understand like where I'm going to, for example, okay? So let me, for example, let me get the shoulders gone. And for example, like you want to have like something so clean as possible like this. But like otherwise this would be my my trade, what you can see over here. And everybody will know about it, okay? But if you use like for example an indicator, so like what was your indicator? Gun box? Was it? Gun fan? Gun fan here over this one. Yeah, if you would use this one for example, like it would be like, yeah, it's gonna get really messy from these kind of things, which you can see already. Like I don't know where I have to look at. I don't know where what I can use for this kind of segments. You know, so these kind of things are like, in my personal opinion, not the best things to use. But if you're using it and it works for you, it's totally fine as well. It's not an indicator, it's a tool. A tool. Oh, it's a tool. Oh, wait a sec. Then I would know already like which one you mean. The gun box. That's this one over here somewhere. This one you mean? Because you said gun van. You said so. Yeah, gun box. I am using that one as well, man. I like this one as well to use indeed. But that I would say like gray kind of way, and then like a different kind of colors for the two segments. So for example, the one level gonna get a little bit lighter or white. Perfect. And this segment is gonna get a little bit darker. Yeah, something like this. Yeah, something like this. It would be like great to use. but like that is like the only thing what I use. 200k reachable. Darren, yeah, that's also gonna be for sure, but like I don't know if that's if it's gonna happen with this cycle. Like for in the long run, yeah, I think that's gonna help. And Elliott wave, you said as well. I think that's that one is over here. The Elliott wave, yeah, this one I think what you're trying to use, huh? Yeah, Elliott wave, I like it indeed because you can show like what kind of patterns it is. So, but still, like I'm not using those kind of things a lot. You know, I can use it actually to show you these guys. So I will use this one for you. Or the ABC is also possible, but I will do the 1, 2, 3 pattern for you guys. I think that that one, yeah, I like the most. And Gambox, that's to be honest, I am using that one a lot, but yeah, today I'm not using it that much actually. I don't know what it is, but yeah, I will use it for now on as well. Thank you, Abdullah. Okay, thanks, Justin. No problem, bro. What program are you using? Program? We're using TradingView, man. I don't know if what do you mean with program, because like that is like the thing what I am using like to make my analysis. Give me 1 second, guys. Like my dog wants to go out. Oh man. Okay, better. The software. Yeah, I'm using TradingView, bro. That's the software what I'm using to trade on. Oh, my dog is getting crazy. There's someone at the door. Okay, so if we're gonna go a little bit further. So we had the shakeout already, so everyone knows that already. Okay, it is like a little bit logical, of course, if you know how trading a little bit works, but still, like, so the shakeout means a little bit in a way that like people are ordering and selling on those kind of moments because he's reaching newer highs, he's breaking. He's making a break of structure, so and everybody has like to have those kind of movements. Cool, I'll check it out. No worries, Badger. I can tell you, TradingView is actually the best software what you can use to make TA, technical analysis. Okay. It is also totally free. You can also have like the buying segment if you want. That's totally up to you. We are using a buying segment because then you can use multiple charts and all those kind of things. But free you can also use it. Also, what you can see over here right now, guys, with the lag 2 segment on Ethereum, what I like to show you already. This is exactly what I meant. So what you can see over here right now, if I'm taking this segment over here. Let me. Oh, scheiße. No, that's not right. Give me 1 second. Place it back around up here. Actually, yes, now I can see it already. It should be over here. This is like the kind of reach what he should have, but he doesn't reach it like that. Like this, he does. Okay, this should be the one, but he doesn't like do it in that way. So I'm just gonna put it like how it should be for now, okay? But like, just so you know, guys, this one is looking like really clean. The thing is, like, what is happening right now? This lag 2 phase, what you can see after the accumulation 2, literally this segment over here, he reaches like a newer high indeed, so like a newer higher high, but it's looking clean. And now from there, what I want to see that he's gonna reach literally a low, that he's gonna have an accumulation 3 phase. What I was telling you already, like what my expectations are on Ethereum with a quick short. It is a little bit, to be honest, it's a little bit, how can I say it? A little bit risky to short on Ethereum because, yeah, he's really bullish on everything, what I was telling you about already. But if you like a risky play, you can look maybe for a short on Ethereum. The thing is, what I want to see, that he's gonna make an accumulation again. Where people are gonna sell and buy again, so that we also can enter our trade in that segment. What is gonna happen? What we want to see is literally that he is gonna have like an order block on this segment over here, gonna touch literally this order block over here, this order block, and then from there he's gonna reach new highs from there again. So we want to see another setup with Ethereum with that segment. It's literally a little bit the same thing with Bitcoin over here, what you can see. With again with a gap, for example. So this gap, for example, like got filled up, what you can see over here, and did go to the upside again with the accumulation 3 phase. And now he's busy with leg 3. And with Ethereum is now looking like to follow up that segment. USA rate cuts in September might pump the markets hard. Profit, I can tell you, bro, I am really stoked if that's gonna happen. It is taking a long time, I have to say, man, with those cuts, because like there's not happening much with those cuts lately. So I'm also really curious about it, like if something is gonna change with that, because they are trying to keep it like so steady as possible. But yeah, it looks like that that we're gonna have some different plans for that segment. By the way, have you seen like the push of Mr. Powell last Friday? Was it? Like for me, it was 4 o'clock in the middays, and for you guys it was then I think 10 o'clock in the morning. Yeah, look at this crazy push, guys, to the downside for dollars. This was literally Jerome Powell, guys. Look at this. A crazy dump to the downside from here, man. I had like a trade ready for on Euro USD, and like the thing is, like what happened, eventually like my alarm did go off, like that he reached like a kind of level, and I was checking and I saw like a big bump up on the Euro USD, you know, and I was like, what the fuck is this? And now you can see literally like the reason like what is happening, and this is like what Jerome Powell can do. Sometimes it's literally nothing, but sometimes it's gonna be bad or good. I think second half to late September, real takeoff. Dub, yeah, I think so too, man. To be honest, like that is looking actually pretty good to be honest with these kind of things, because I can tell you also with this segment over here, what I like to see the most of it. Some people didn't see it yet, but I saw it already as well, and my team saw it as well. With this sweep, what you can see, the good thing is about Bitcoin in general, what you can see over here as well, that these kind of things are like really, yeah, you like to see these kind of things. Why? This is like a kind of sweep. Yeah, this high, for example, what you can see over here, people are were selling from that segment. So for example, what they were doing is like this. They put their stop loss just above that high and want to trade to that to the low. What is Bitcoin doing? And what you can see already, he literally is taking out all those orders, what you can see over here. So like you have to see it like this, huh? So let me copy it and paste it a little bit. Like what is happening is like that people are trying to sell from these kind of segments over here, so that you're gonna have this. But like what is happening, because like that is like a lot of liquidity what is building up over here, right? That is something what I'm trying to say, and what I'm trying to show you, like what is so important about it. What is Bitcoin or the market doing? He's swiping out all these kind of stop losses over here, and then he's going to the downside. But in the meantime, that we're going to the downside over here. So for example, with this segment over here, what you can see with this order book over here, people were starting to buy as well already. So over here, for example, and what they were doing, they're putting their stop losses just above this high, and they want to reach like newer highs. And like this is also happening with a lot of people that are buying as well with these kind of things, because they are like risking like a lot of money with these kind of things. And so like this building up segment over here as well with a lot of liquidity. And like what is the market doing now? They're also trying to sweep or swipe actually in general also those kind of stop losses. So they swiped it, and now he's ready to move for his big move again to the upside. That is how trading a little bit works, guys. So also with the so they swipe literally all those orders, and now he's reaching to new highs for Bitcoin. But job reports September, and CPI and PPI reports on September 10 and 11 may complicate things. Then the market really doesn't know for it. The Fed will cut on September 17 or what till October, December. Job reports September 5. Bro, I can tell you, like, I'm not reading those job reports, man. I'm telling you honest, like, I'm curious about like the USA rate cuts, but like the job reports and all those kind of things, like I know there are I know that there are like PPI and CPI Non-farm payrolls, for example, is like one of the biggest ones. And all those kind of things are like also really important to remember. But I'm not reading all those job reports, man, because like the thing is with news, what is happening? Like they're placing it then on the market when the market is gonna make a reaction on it. But then after it, it is again selling or trying to settle down again, and he's moving up again. So for example, if I'm gonna grab like for example this for this chart, this is like a good example for it. So what you can see over here, like the market is like moving like pretty cleanly actually. He's making like newer higher highs, and he swiped all this segment out. Okay, that is like looking really clean. This is just what the market is doing. Eventually he is broken down to, pretty hard to the downside from here. Why? Because like he took all this liquidity out over this segment. So what is the market doing? He's dropping really hard like this. Why? Because like what you can see over here, there were people building up some liquidity over here already. There were people buying from here. Also over here, for example, is also really important to see. So what the market is doing, he wants to take out some liquidity over here. But at the same time, he had like a lot of gaps over here, which you can see as well. Those gaps wants to get filled up as well. So these gaps, first of all, wants to get filled up. So what is the market doing? He's filling up all those gaps, and then maybe he wants to look again for like a newer higher high, because he was like changing, he was making change of character with the chart. Even though we're looking like pretty down lately with everything, but still like over here he's making like newer higher highs every time. So what is the market? What happened then? Literally, Jerome Powell on what is it? 10 o'clock in the morning for you guys. 8 o'clock in the morning. Sorry. You literally see like this pump or this dump over here, man. It's like crazy. Oh no, it is 10 o'clock. Yes, indeed. This is like what happened in one go because of Jerome Powell was speaking about something again. And like what happens, the market literally uses that drop to take out the buyers over here as well. So he is like, doesn't know for sure. I meant, oh yeah, but that's possible, Dub. I'm not meaning like in a way that I'm saying like something mean or anything to you, man. But like this is like for an example what I have with news, because it is important to know about it when it is happening, to not get crazy about all those kind of news kind of things, because like this is also, for example, with Jerome Powell, what it has at 10 o'clock for you guys. But also with when Jerome Powell speaks, sometimes there's nothing happening, or maybe like a small drop or pump a little bit, but you don't even realize that it happened. So also with news, it's just really unpredictable with these kind of things. So also with this segment over here, like what the market did is literally just picking up some orders from people that were buying, and now maybe he wants to go up again, or he's keeping till this low because maybe he wants to fill up this gap. So it's also possible that he's for example reaching like these kind of highs, and then he's gonna reach like newer lows again because he wants to pick up these kind of orders again. So that is like what the market is doing. The market is always trying to look for how can I explain this? He wants always to look for like orders that are placed in the market, because you have to see it like this. The market is trying to take out your money for 95% all of the time, because that's also why 95% of the people that are trading missing money in a kind of way. Can you please look at near, please? Yes, no worries, Abdullah. I already marked it, if I'm correct. Yes. So we also gonna look at near for you, man. No worries. But guys, so that is something really important just to know for you. People or the market is always trying to take your money out in every kind of possible way, but they have to do it like fairly. So that's why you can see you see like a lot of manipulation kind of things with manipulation, distribution, and accumulation phases. You know, so the AMD phases, for example. You have like a lot of things with news, for example, things what is happening in the world was also happening. So you got like a lot of different kind of subjects where you have to think about when you are a day trader. That's why it is so important as well to focus on these kind of movements, and that's why I'm also saying like I'm focusing the most on my technical analysis. I'm trying to read the charts so the best as I can to show you guys like how I'm looking at it, how the world is looking at different at it, and like how you can be in the one of the top 5% out of it eventually. Because I told you already, like 95% of people, even me, are still losing sometimes money on the charts. That is why it is so important to to know all these kind of things. Crypto Sarah, why nobody talk about Dutch? It looks like the chart behaves really well compared to the others. Well, that's also a good one. Oh my god, it would be like, oh, this trade, guys. Oh, it's so nasty. Oh. Wow. 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 I like it. I like it a lot. This one is gonna get on the wall, I think. Wow. Really fortunate that we didn't took this one. Damn. Dutch, yeah, you can be there. Oh, unbelievable. Oh well. Do face scan. Well, we can maybe do it, but like maybe for later. It depends on like how many people wants to see my face. Maybe you don't want to see it even. I'm a really ugly person, guys. I'm ashamed of myself. No, nah, I'm just joking, guys. Maybe we can do it for later. I don't know if we're gonna do it right now, but maybe for later. Okay. We're gonna think about that segment. Darren, you remind me about Dutch. Hello, is dog still alive? Yeah, bro. Yeah, of course the dog is still alive, man. The little dog is trying to be sad at the same time sometimes when he's standing next to me. When I'm doing the live stream over here, then he's looking at me. Viewers after face scan. Yeah. Yeah, man, you never know. Maybe then my views are gonna get dropped in an instant, you know. So how long do you think on Ethereum will retrace? Like job wise, what do you think it will be look like? Well, in general with Ethereum, what I'm thinking and expecting with it right now, because of with a rejection on like the 4800 level. What I'm expecting right now, what's gonna happen for the upcoming trade, what I want to see, preferably, because now we had like a long again on top of it, that we're gonna have like this segment. That he's gonna reach these kind of movements. This is like the movement of what I'm expecting, what's gonna happen at least. And then I want to place my trade, for example, over here, round up here. And then place my stop loss under this low, and I want to reach like for newer highs at the 5k round up maybe. So like these are like the kind of my expectations, to be honest. My momentum signals look like it will continue for days. Yeah, it can look that he continue already from here as well. That's also gonna be possible. But like the thing is, I don't like to trade on that segment because it's like too insecure on that segment, you know. Because of this gap, first of all, this order block still didn't get taken out yet. Because there are like some things, in my opinion, I got rules where I have to stick to it, even though if it's not gonna, if it is not gonna happen with that segment. So 42.11 is still vulnerable. Lol. Yeah, maybe. It is. Everything is still vulnerable. Also, crypto market can also drop down like crazy out of nowhere, and nobody knows what is happening. For example, if BlackRock is now selling all the Ethereum, I can tell you the asking price is gonna get dropped down like really hard. Do you think Ethereum is forming a short-term double top on the daily and could correct back to 4k or maybe lower in early September? Well, I can tell you, I don't hope he's gonna do that, but if he's gonna do that, I can tell you, I want to buy that shit. I'm gonna buy at least like a whole another Ethereum on top of that then. because like if he's gonna reach again like those 4K levels, because you have to see it in this way, okay? Like I got here like a great pattern what I can show you guys if I can look it up. Where is it? No, it was like this one, for example, and this one is also looking really good. Yeah, this is like the kind of things what you have to see, okay? Like what is happening right now is like we reached like these highs, okay, what you can see already. Okay, for example, if I'm gonna make a let me draw a line on here as well. Okay, listen up. Thing is, what you literally see right now, what is happening are like he's breaking out of the like a kind of resistance level that it had, like an old resistance and old resistance level, and now it is a support level. What is happening? Like he broke through it, and then he reached again reached like the newer the old all-time high, and then from there he's gonna drop down again. Why? Because he needs to get support from the chart needs to get some support from somewhere, you know. So what he's gonna do is he's gonna drop down over here, and then he's gonna pump up again. So that is like why I'm saying like the 4200 can still be vulnerable, but I'm not expecting that he's gonna make newer lows from there, because like also from example this old resistance is now also support, and like look what happened. He reached like newer highs. Again, he reached like this segment over here with an order block, what I told you. It did had a dump, and then he pumped up again and to newer highs, and it's exactly the same movement over here. But you can see over here, for example, all these orders over here got taken out. What you can see, it was looking really clean. Had a dump on the old resistance level, that is now support, and is pumping up again. So that is like the kind of focus and those kind of movements where you have to focus about, because those are like the kind of things that you want to have in general. So also if you're gonna look over here, it's exactly like the same kind of movements over here right now. With the target is 4800, and now it got touched, and now what I want to see that he's gonna drop down at least a little bit. Till 4K can be possible, but I like to see like that he's gonna reach that order block that I showed you already before that, and then from there he's gonna pump up really well. That is also gonna be possible with the segment what you can have over here, what you have here. This is exactly the same kind of movement, but you can see in 2017, 2022, and now in 2025 as well. He reached like the newer low, or he broke out that low, and now he's reaching for newer highs over here. That's just like what is happening, like the 1, 2, 3 points. Let me get that what you guys said. Where is it? No, it was this one. Yes. Okay, this is like, for example, what you want to see. It's like the 1, 2, 3. Oh, and then like for example, here's literally the same thing actually. Again, 1 and the 2. And then the 3 again, you know, and now you got here the 4 and the 5th again from it as well. That is like how you have to see it. So that is why like it is something important to follow up these kind of movements. Also with the Bitcoin halving cycle, what I'm expecting like that we're gonna have some interesting things, because like the altcoin season starts almost, they are saying over here, but like after this movement, then we're gonna have that Bitcoin dominance dump. So that's why we're gonna have done some crazy movements on Ethereum, and when that is gonna dump, then we're gonna have the alt season after it. So that's gonna be really interesting as well. And yeah, this is exactly like the same kind of movement what you have over here with Ethereum with 2016 till 2017, and over here is literally the Ethereum fractal, what you can see over here with the blue one. Yeah, you can see literally that he has literally the same movements already. It's like looking perfectly sync with each other, and that's something really crazy what's gonna happen with Ethereum, because now it is like a lot more worth. So that is why it is so important to show you these kind of chart patterns for you guys. This one doesn't want to show, that's unfortunately. But yeah, so that is like something what you want to follow up, guys. Also, if you can look over here with the Bitcoin still, we have still the inverse head and shoulders segment over here with the left shoulder's head and then right shoulder with the retest on top of it. So like we're gonna have some interesting phases upcoming, man. I can tell ya, and I like it a lot lately. So, what we're gonna do, we're gonna talk about the coins for you today, right now, because I have to go in like 40 minutes or so already. So, yeah, we're gonna make a quick live stream from it, unfortunately. But that is because like we have still some, unfortunately I have a pretty big and busy schedule. So, for the people that wanted to know, like the trades what I'm looking at, I want to look for long again eventually. But first I want to see like what is happening over this segment over here. But like what it looks like right now already, it looks like that he wants to go for a short again over here, to be honest. So this one is also looking pretty clean to me already, but it is really risky. Alright man, have a safe trip, see you the next time. Yes, I'm not stopping right now, in 40 minutes or so, I said. We're first gonna have like, we're gonna talk about the coins and everything, and gonna make some analysis for you guys. Yeah, and then after it we're gonna, then we're gonna stop the live stream properly. That's more what I meant. So, what we're gonna do, we're gonna check at AAVA. I don't know what kind of coin this is. I'm not like familiar with it, but that's yeah. Let's see what we have. So first of all, what you can see already, we are like in a really big uptrend in general. What you can see over here, and what you also can see that this segment over here has a lot of liquidity, to be honest. This segment of liquidity is like something really important to remember. Why? Because there's like nothing taken out on these kind of highs. Maybe this high over here, yes, but like this high still didn't take out, anything out. So, and what it looks like, he's still reaching for these kind of highs. What happened? What I'm expecting what happened at least, that he wanted to reach this high before he's gonna reach this high. So what is gonna happen? And what I'm expecting as well from it, if we're gonna go to the 8-hour time frame, for example. Unfortunately, we can't trade on it right now because he reached already that kind of highs, and otherwise we have to look for a retracement first. So, for example, that he's gonna reach like these kind of lows before he's gonna reach that high again. The thing is, because like we're still in a bullish uptrend in general. Also, if I'm looking at the daily time frame, you can see that he reached like this gap. With a Fibonacci on top of it over here. So this one is looking pretty clean, to be honest. But the important thing is what we're doing right now, and what we have to look at is like this segment over here. This segment over here, for example, is like over here, like this. So what you can see over here is literally the segment what you have. Also over here with this order book over here, what you have is also a really good one and clean one to follow up through. So this is like the kind of movement what I want to see for AAVE, because of few things. Well, first of all, we're still in an uptrend. He had taken out already some lows over here with this candle over here. But the only thing is like what you need to know. Oh, that's the text. I needed this color. Yes, perfect. He has taken out the red line, the orders over here, but still there are some orders over here what we have to follow up through. So what he's gonna do, what I'm expecting, what he's gonna do at least, that he's gonna reach these kind of lows eventually, or the gaps. And I want to see then that he's gonna take out this gap, for example, or this order block is also possible. And then from there he's gonna reach newer highs. That is what I am expecting that's gonna happen with AAVA. And these are like the kind of movements what I preferably want to see, at least. Okay, and yeah, you can short it on it, but I think that is really risky in my opinion. Okay, because like I can tell you guys, you don't want to play like a risky trade on the bullish run with crypto. Never. Okay, so remember that. Also, we're gonna look at NEAR for today. NEAR is something really, something really interesting right now, because this is looking like a little bit of ping pong right now, but it is really risky at the same time. Reason is, and why? Because still, like you can see already, he reached like these kind of lows, and still didn't take out anything yet. But he reached this low at least, so like that is something positive. But yeah, so what you can see over here, for example, and we're gonna go over to the daily from here, or three daily, I think it is. Yes. This is the 3 daily time frame, what you can see over here with this order block. What you can see, literally like it was in the buying zone already, and when that happens, he literally did go to a newer high from the old high, what you can see over here. But then I have to look a little bit closer. Over here, what you can see, he reached newer highs with this X. Then what happened? From there, he did go down again. But like what is happening, and that is like what I'm expecting like now for the most time. You reach this order block, it swiped out this segment over here, and now he wants to reach again for a newer high again, or he wants to take out this this low, or this high. I'm sorry. So properly, he wants to reach like these kind of highs again. So I'm expecting that he's gonna reach like the $3 again from it. Oh, sorry guys, I almost dropped my mic. And what I want to see, at least from near, and that's what I would like the most, that he's gonna reach these kind of highs eventually. Because there's still some liquidity over here, what's still gonna take out yet. It just got filled up, like picked up those order blocks, but that's it. It still didn't take out anything. And also, for example, with this level is exactly the same, like this level over here. So maybe we can reach even the 365 even eventually with near. So that's also going to be interesting to look for. And that is like what I would say like the upcoming trades and the levels what I would look at for near, to be honest. Okay, so we did that one as well. We're gonna look at Arbitrum right now real quick. And Arbitrum is looking really strong, to be honest. Like, why is Arbitrum looking really strong? Well, there are some certain things. First of all, like there are some levels where he still wants to take out yet. So this level, for example, is still open. Other thing is what Arbitrum is doing most of the times right now. He's filling up all those order blocks, and then he's moving again to the upper side, what the market is doing lately. So for example, for this order block, for example, is literally a really good example. What he literally was doing, an order block over here, reached that low, has taken out some orders, picked up the orders with the order block, and did go to the upside from here. Because there was also some building up liquidity over here. That's why it was looking really clean to long on the Arbitrum. Now, if you want to look again for a trade for Arbitrum, you can look at this segment over here. What you're gonna do is like Fibonacci from here till here, and then this segment is like looking pretty clean in my opinion to look for a long. Only thing is, if you want to long on this segment, please place your stop loss below this level over here. Okay, please do it safe, because like you still can have like big swings to the downside to take out some orders, and then he's gonna reach the newer highs from there. Also, what you can see over here, for example, on the left side, I want to check like where are like the order blocks what he was reaching. Well, for example, you could reach for this level, for this order block, to reach those kind of highs. Oh, excuse me. Or he can reach for like this gap over here. It's also a small gap, but it's still a gap. So he has like he had two reasons to go for short over here. It was first, and what you can see already, it was the gap over here. So what you can see, he literally reached that gap, and then from there, now it looks like that he wanted to short, and now he's giving like a retest phase on top of that segment. So what you also can do, but it is still pretty risky in my opinion, to shorten this segment to go over here for Arbitrum. I'm just letting it like this. I'm really curious if that is the case, what he's gonna do. But like these are like the kind of movements what you can see most of the times from the market itself. So also with this one with Arbitrum, this is like a segment where you have to focus on. And like then from there, if you want to trade on Arbitrum again, then please place your stop loss around here and reach for these new highs from there. See, because then you got literally actually the movement, like he reaches that order block, giving a change of character, making a retest, go to the downside, and then eventually what he's gonna do is like giving a small reaction, maybe taking out some orders, making a change of character again, a retest on that order block, and reaching to the upside. So that is like how you can move and can expect like how the market is moving in these kind of ways. So also for you guys, please focus on like where you place your stop losses and your TPs. Like with this one, it is a little bit trickier to place stop loss differently. Why? Because like I'm not expecting that he's gonna make a newer high right now, because he wrecked it already on this gap, you know, and it is below and it is higher than that gap for sure. So we're playing it in generally are pretty safe on that segment. Okay, so that is like how you want to focus on that segment as well, and how you want to look at an Arbitrum. What we're gonna have is now Dogecoin for today. I can tell you guys, Dogecoin is looking really clean in my opinion with trading. Why? There are like certain things where you have to focus on. First of all, like this segment over here, this order book for example, it still didn't taken out yet. So these highs are still possible to trade to. But what is looking really nicely in my opinion most of the times, what I like to show you as well, like that he's reaching like certain kind of highs every time, even though you can't do anything about it. So for example, what I'm trying to show you, let me focus on it real quick. Here you go. For example, with this gap over here, is literally a segment what I like to show you. This segment over here literally got reached this low, and now he's reaching to the lower side from here. And what is the market doing right now? This level over here didn't take it out yet, so he still didn't reach those kind of levels yet. Okay, what you still have to see like this. See, here you go. Let me place it a little bit better. What you can see over here. But what he did is literally actually he had taken out all these kind of orders as the order book, which you can see over like this wave. So what you can use this segment over here, what you can do now actually on Dodge, because Dodge is like something clean to use, I guess. What you can see, because he is also making changes of character, making a retest, placing your stop loss below that high, and gonna reach like for these kind of lows. That is like what I would love to see for Dogecoin again for today, because like what you can see it as well like this, with a good Fibonacci on top of it, with selling prices as well in it. So like these kind of things is looking just really clean on the Dogecoin for today, man. It's unbelievable. Which will give higher return, Cardano or Chainlink? Ooh, let's see. Cardano is cheaper in my if I'm expecting, no? Let's see. Yeah. Okay. You have to see it like this way, Bray. I think Cardano is gonna have a higher return. Why? Because Cardano is cheaper. If it is cheaper, it means you can buy it more from, you know. And when that is happening, and for example, Cardano is gonna go 100x or something, then like your money, what you put in, is gonna get 100x at least, and then times like how many coins you had. You know, that is like how you have to see it in that way. That's why it is looking really clean with Cardano, because that one is just it's now pretty cheap in my opinion right now. And like Cardano normally had like what it was the kind of highs what it had. The most what it has was like $3, and now it is on 90 cents round up. So like these kind of levels are like so really important just to know like where it could go. Okay, so that's why I'm also saying like I think Cardano is gonna get a higher return, because Chainlink, for example, reached like the $51. But what you have to know is like that Chainlink is like around $26 round up. So that is like you then you have to buy a lot more of Chainlink to have also like a bigger return on it. That's why I would say let's go look at Cardano. That's like my honest opinion. Guys, like I can tell you, like this is still actually my trade till now. I want to see that he's gonna reach these kind of highs, so you can place a long on Cardano still, but be careful. The thing is, like I want to see like a retest on this segment. So what is happening right now? So let me redraw this phase. What you can see, literally, he had like a lot of orders over here, what you can see. and now he didn't reach that order block. Now he touched it. He is making a an high, but not a higher low actually. And he made a lower low, and now I want to see like a retest again on top of it, that he's gonna reach over here, and then he's gonna shoot up like crazy over here. Why? Because the thing is, he's building up some crazy liquidity. That is what you can see over here. This is all liquidity over here. So he wants to take that out for sure. Also, if you look at the 8-hour time frame, if I'm going back with the 4-hour, sorry, you also can see literally this segment over here. This is literally actually the bear's wedge, which you can follow up. Look at this. Yeah, round up here. And over here. Yeah, this is literally actually the bear's wedge, what you have already. So now what you want to see, because he's now breaking out actually, indeed. What you want to see actually, what he's gonna do, that is also gonna be possible. That he's gonna reach like for newer, that he's gonna make an, yeah, how do you say it? And retest. Gentlemen in the mix. On this resistance level to reach newer highs from here. That's also gonna be possible. So it's one of the two ways what you can do on Cardano for today. So you can long this segment, and you want to place your stop loss under this level over here, and then it's still that red level. Or what is possible is gonna reach again for this level over here, place your stop loss below here, and then reach for that for this level over here. So these are like the two levels where you can focus on that. What I would do at least for Cardano for today. Okay. So if I'm gonna look a little bit further, and we're gonna go to SUY for today. Let's see. SUY is also looking really clean, to be honest, already. What I'm seeing at. The thing is, what happens right now, and that's also like something important to show you guys. You can literally see over here that these lows got taken out. Okay, got swiped out. Okay. What happened? This order block over here got filled up. So literally what the market did is he got filled up the order block. He got swiped out with the certain lows what it has over there, and now still he didn't reach for these kind of highs. He still didn't take them out yet. He made like a quick reaction on it, but still he didn't do anything about it. So probably what happened, he literally touched this order block exactly. And like what is happening right now, I want to see literally actually a how can I say it? Like for example, if you see like over this segment like this, you literally can see right now that you can short actually SUY from here to the downside again, and then you want to see like for this for over here for this order block, you want to focus it on. So on the 4-hour time frame here, this is perfect. Then this is gonna be your trade. You want to reach like this order block over here. That's like the place of trade what you want to do. And this could be your trade on SUY then. And then from there you're gonna reach another high to the upside from there again. And I mean like an higher from here, for example. So like SUY is also looking pretty clean in my opinion, like that. Double bottom. Well, not really, man. Like the thing is, what you have to focus on most of the times, like you can see over here with this white line. Otherwise I will make it red for you right now, so you make it a little bit clean and maybe a little bit thicker. You can see literally clearly that like this week got swiped out these kind of lows. Also got filled up this order block over here, and also the big one over here. What means that we are that you see that he's giving a reaction on that section already. So what he did, he pumped up over here, didn't make a newer higher high. So there was still liquidity and orders over here. So what he did, he picked up those orders with his order block, and now he wants to reach again to a new maybe a lower low even. Why? Because like there's a gap over here, and there's like an order block over here where he wants to reach. That's why I think that you can short now on SUY for today if you want to do it. But I'm not gonna trade today because like I am a little bit tired, because like I got a pretty busy schedule. I told you already, guys, and like yeah, it is like, it's a little bit tiring for me, man. So today I'm also not gonna have a trade, and still I'm still trading on H-bar for today as well. So don't get me wrong, you know, I'm really happy with the results already what we have. So also for today, not a trade unfortunately, but otherwise I would say look at SUY for example. Go back otherwise in the stream and check these kind of levels out if you want. This is for the long section, this is for the short. If you want to have a short on SUY, I would do it at least. And otherwise, let's see a Chainlink real quick, because then I have to go already, unfortunately. Yeah, Chainlink is a little bit different, man, right now. The thing is, like, Chainlink is looking really strong, because like he reached literally this new high already. So like he got swiped out that segment already, and maybe he wants to reach for this high over here. I would like to see that at least. But yeah, that's gonna take also some time, man, because like the thing is, there is like liquidity over here still, or liquidity, sorry, an order block, and that segment still, it didn't touch it yet. When that's gonna reach, I think we're gonna have some newer lower lows, and then I'm looking at this segment over here. Oh, over here, yes. So that is like the segment that I would look at. So for example, you're gonna reach this kind of highs, maybe it's gonna take out like a lot of liquidity, then I'm gonna make a change of character to over here. That's what I would expect from Chainlink, but now you can't trade on this segment because like he's moving up like, yeah, just, yeah, pretty cleanly actually, in my opinion. On the daily it's looking ugly, but like for example over here, this for example like a kind of trade what you can do. This is like the kind of thing what you can do. That's possible. But that, yeah, that's like your opinion with Chainlink, man. Like for real. Because these are like the kind of like small trades which you have then. Paperbusbrug. Ziet er goed uit. En hij gaat er nog één keer. Hij gaat het nog één keer naar de 110k voor Bitcoin. Ook Bitcoin dominance is flink aan het zakken. Yes, I for sure. Paperbus. Nice name, by the way. Yeah, I'm gonna talk in English if you don't mind, because other people want to know like what you were saying. Paperbus is saying that it is looking good, and that he says that he expected that Bitcoin is gonna draw down like the 110k maybe, and then from there we're gonna have like some crazy up, and then like from the 110k. And like he's also saying that the Bitcoin dominance is dropping down. Yeah, what is pretty logical to be honest, because like, yeah, Bitcoin is not taking over anymore, guys. So we have to see like if he's gonna reach even that high, but we have to see, because like what is happening right now, what I'm expecting and what I'm expecting to see as well, maybe he can reach for these kind of lows. Why? There's like a lot of liquidity over here what he wants to take out, so that's gonna be maybe a possible option. But yeah, that is like maybe for another time, for another live stream at least. So guys, yeah, these were like the kind of trades what I would look for with Chainlink, SUI, Cardano, for Dodge as well, and for the other kind of coins what we had. Let's see, we had Near somewhere over here. Here you go, with Near as well. And with AAVA as well, and with Arbitrum as well. So these are like the kind of movements that I would expect for it. Unfortunately, that I have to stop already with this live stream, because I have to do some other things as well. But guys, I want to thank you for watching this live stream. I really appreciate all the support what you're giving us. I hope for you guys that you're gonna join our exclusive Telegram group, because when you do that, you can also follow all our trades, and then I'm talking about from Tom, me, the whole another team what we have behind the whole this setup already, so that we have some crazy good trades for you this upcoming weeks. And at least guys, like I can tell you, like Ethereum is looking so clean lately for us, man. It's unbelievable. Like we had a trade for today, what was looking really strong, guys. I can tell you, like this one was, unfortunately, we had too tight stop loss, but like our other trade, that was this long segment, we took like a really clean trade on this one. So, oh, over here. So like I can tell you guys, follow our trades, join our Telegram group. I would say join join WEEX through our link. Then you can join us on the Telegram group as well. Follow us on X, and don't forget, like and subscribe, please. I would love it if you can like our my live stream, because then we can reach maybe newer highs and more views even. That would be great. Sorry guys that it is gonna be like a short short live stream, to be honest, but yeah guys, sometimes it happens, and next time we're gonna have one big live stream for you guys, because that's also the last live stream for a small period of time. And then guys, I would say to you, thank you for watching, and I will see you till the next time. And also guys, don't forget the new video from Tom to watch. Don't forget it, please watch his video. It's now already on, like 1 hour ago. I can tell you, he's going great, Tom. He is explaining so many good things for you guys. It's unbelievable. Okay guys, that was literally the last thing. I love you guys, thank you for watching, and I will see you on the on this upcoming Wednesday, same time every time. See you guys later.